Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find replicas on AliExpress using your smartphone. Whether you are looking for designer dupes or similar products, I'll guide you through the steps to find what you need quickly and easily. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Now navigate to the AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Now here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it, and type in the specific keywords related to the replica you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for a designer handbag, you might type in designer handbag replica. Here you'll see the list of products related to it. To narrow down these results, you can use the filter option. Here you can see the filter button, tap on it. You can set your shipping address and your price range over here, and you'll see the products accordingly. This will help you find the best quality replicas. If you like any products, you can go to the products page and you can see the customer's feedback and everything. So this will help you find the best quality replicas. So that's it. That's how you can find replicas on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.